In thy presence is fullness of joy. At thy right hand there are pleasures forevermore. Psalms 16:11. I turn my thought to joy, which I know is vibrating through all life, through my own being, in my innermost mind and heart. I reach deep into infinite being and hear the song of gladness that sings through all manifestations of life. I know that it also sings in me as I give it expression. I feel the throb of life in all harmony of form around me, in tree and flower and grass, in blue sky and clouds, in the beauty of evening sunset. Wherever I look, I hear and feel the underlying joyous notes that life sings and that comes to its culminations in spirits made manifest through each human being. Now deep within my innermost being, I attune myself to the God-conscious being that I truly am. I permit God's perfect idea of me to manifest, to flow forth into expression. I know that I, God's perfect expression, cannot contain grief, sadness, inharmony. I know that in my true self I am joy, for I am God life. My life is buoyant, vivacious, sparkling, free. It contains all good. It is unity, perfection, love. And so I know that nothing can make me, the real me, sad or dejected or heavy-hearted.